Hi guys, today we are going to play Melon Sandbox, and today this is a special one. This is a actual story. So again, we're in Melon Sandbox. Guys, there's a flood. Really? Yup. Didn't you watch the news? No. There actually is. Yeah, I watched the news too. Wait, creator, why are you here? I want to survive. Obviously. Okay, fine. You can come with us. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're on without using the elevator. Yeah, I don't know why we didn't use the elevator. I just used my creator powers. Alright. And is the flood coming? I'm pretty sure. Hold on, I think it's coming. I have no idea. Bro, it's actually coming. Oh, it's shaking a lot. The flood just happened. The flood just happened. Really? Look. Oh yeah, it's flooded. Dude, this is a massive flood, by the way. And how is the flood escaper literally just right there, just standing? Wait, I think another flood is. I think somebody is. Wait, what? I don't know. I'm sorry. Ah, it's a shakalaka-melon. I came back to eat you. You know I'm the creator. Time to join. It's annoying. I don't know why he was there. I came back to eat you. Dude, the head is still alive. Stop! Why am I up here? I don't know. Sorry guys, sorry. Guys, I'll revive you. Sorry, except for Cactus, he's fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Sorry guys, I'll spawn you back in. Here, I spawned you back in. Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You're welcome. I accidentally kicked you instead of the shakalaka-melon head. He was still alive. Why is there a skibbity toilet in here? Get out! Dude, there's so much people. Ugh! Get squished. Ah! Ow. Sorry. It's okay. Dude, all these people are annoying. If there's another one, I'm spawning a nuke and exploding it. If there's another one, I'm getting a sticky bomb and I'm literally just going to explode. I'm literally going to explode. Don't. Please. A pumpkin and spice and water. Dude. Seriously! Dude, I'm getting a sticky bomb. No, please don't. Please don't. I'm doing it. No matter what. You actually got a sticky bomb and I'm exploding it. No, please. It's going to murder all of us. Not me, I'm immortal. Please make us immortal before this thing explodes. No. Why? Ah! Ow! I'm stuck in. I'm Spider-Man. I'm stuck. Are you Spider-Man? I think so. Help me! I'm Spider-Man! Help! Explode this thing already! Ah! Stop! I want to get off this thing. Ow! Ow! That hurt. Am I on fire? Hold on, I'll take myself out. Hold on a second. I'm getting the fire. Wait, who is spraying the actual creator the creator? I'm just the characters of the character creator. Dude, everything is on fire. Guys, wait, don't burn, okay? I'm trying to fix this. Melon, why did you start burning? I don't know. I don't know. I'm back. I don't know why I'm on fire. Guys, I need to leave. Hold up. Okay, the creator just left. And why am I burning it? Okay, I'm back. Where even is the creator? When is he spawning in? I'm back. Thank you. Why is the roof? The roof is still on fire. You know that I need to clean it. So far, no monsters have spawned yet. Wait, there's monsters? Of course! Okay, clean everything up. Wait, I think one monster is spawning in. Wait, is there a monster spawning in? Yep. There is one monster spawning in. What is that thing? Oh, that's just a big. That's just a big island. That's huge. There's stuff bigger than that. Wait, there's stuff bigger than that. The big eyeworm. Yeah, I think it just left, but I think the biggest one is spawning in right. Oh yeah, right now. What in the tarnations is that thing? Oh yeah, that's the big long eyeworm. There's smaller versions of this thing. Is there a smaller version of this thing? Yep. There actually is. Oh no. This thing had. Why is it so huge? Because it's a big log. Oh, it just left. Yeah. There's a. Wait, I think there's a herd that caught spawning in. A herd. There's a herd. Right now, it just left. Is that the small version of the big long eyeworm? Yup. That's bigger than us. Yeah. I think the smaller version of the thing spawning. Oh, there it is. Where is this thing coming from? Oh wait, the creator of the eyeworms is spawning in. What even is that thing? Is that the creator of those eyeworms? Yup. Why is it so small? I don't know. Dude. Oh, it just hit the camera. It left. Okay. Is there a giant lizard outside? A giant lizard? What do you mean? There is a giant lizard. What in the tarnations? It's heating up the camera. It's about to explode. That was the moment I should have stopped them. Every Friday night, Skylar showed up. I think it's something is about to explode. But yeah, something is going to explode. At first, she just took photos for Instagram, lying she lived in a mansion. I get it. Everyone wants to. Oh my goodness. The way Skylar looked at me, pure disgust and contempt, as if I owed her millions. God, how can such a luxurious villa smell so sour? I thought maybe there really was an odor, so I asked Martha to clean the house thoroughly, but Skylar only got worse. She would spray disinfectant everywhere I sat, or put a disposable cover on the sofa and make me sit on it. It just wrapped around the camera. Gross. What even is happening? Things directly into the trash. Oh wait, it just left. Your daughter has been spraying disinfectant everywhere I sit. Olivia, Skylar's just worried about safety. She's being careful, that's all. Besides going to school, I was handling all kinds of matters for my family's company. I was too busy to bother with her. After that day. So guys, if you want a part 2, you better like and subscribe. So it's for the part 2. Well, if you like this video, subscribe and see you next time. Bye! Wait, this is a video? No. I thought, is there actually a video? Nope. Guys, is there a video? Guys, say no, this is not a video. Just lie. Because what? No, this is a video. What did you say? Nothing. Okay. Goodbye.